Recent progress in digital technology and construction engineering has allowed countries to undertake larger and more complex projects than ever before. In this video, we'll be exploring some of the most notable and captivating megaprojects currently underway around the world. Join us as we take a closer look at Japan's cutting-edge Maglev train, which holds the world speed record at 603 kilometers per hour, the Middle East's largest environmentally friendly city under construction, and China's ambitious project that spans over 60 countries. Let's get started. The Quotient Kansan Megaproject. Japan is a highly developed country renowned for its innovation, with a top-of-the-line train system that is considered one of the best in the world. Despite being a mountainous country, Japan has an impressive train network that is both punctual and comfortable to ride. The bullet train, or Shinkansen, was invented in Japan in 1964 and is one of the most recognizable pieces of Japanese engineering, with its iconic needle-nose shape. Over the years, the bullet trains have become faster, with the current travel time from Tokyo to Nagoya taking only 1 hour and 20 minutes. However, to cut travel time in half, Japan has embarked on a new mega project called the Shinkansen, which will use Maglev technology. Maglev stands for magnetic levitation, and this technology uses 2 sets of magnets to lift and propel the train, allowing it to reach speeds of over 500 kilometers per hour, with the experimental Maglev train holding the world record at 603 kilometers per hour. The commercial service of the Chuo Shinkansen is set to begin in 2027, and the trip from Tokyo to Nagoya will only take 40 minutes. Japan's high-speed rail system has an impeccable safety record, with 0 fatal accidents over the past 60 years of operation. The Lusail City Megaproject. The Lusail City Megaproject is located in Qatar, a small desert country in the Arab Peninsula with a population of less than 3 million people. Due to harsh climatic conditions, Qatar has had to seek alternative ways of sustaining itself, and fortunately, it has the world's 3rd largest natural gas reserve and is one of the largest exporters of natural gas. Because of its low population and high revenues from oil and gas, it is considered the richest country in the world today. In 2005, the idea for Lusail City was born as a means to house a growing population. The city is designed to house almost 500,000 people and is located along the coast, 23 kilometers from the capital Doha. Although the idea was there since 2005, the project took off in 2010 when Qatar won the rights to host the 2022 FIFA World Cup, making history as the first country in the Middle East to be selected to host the soccer event. Lusail City is a futuristic project as part of Qatar's Vision 2030, designed to create a modern and ambitious society. It is the first green city in the country and the largest development ever undertaken in the Middle East to date. Although it stands as an independent urban center, Lusail will be connected to Doha by subways and state-of-the-art train lines. The city will have a marina, one of the biggest in the region, as well as shopping malls, business districts, artificial islands, an amusement park, residential buildings, hospitals, schools, mosques, and 22 hotels built to international standards. As a World Cup host, Lusail City will also have one of the biggest stadiums in the Middle East. The construction of the Lusail Iconic Stadium began in April 2017 and will be strategically located in the middle of the city. The stadium centerpiece structure is designed to mirror the ancient Arab crafts of bowl weaving, and the saddle forum roof floats above the concrete bowl. It is one of the basic requirements to have a highly efficient energy-saving system, as Qatar's climate is intense, and the building will help to cool the players and fans when the games are taking place. The stadium also has a great community space with room for shops, athletic and education facilities, as well as a health clinic. It is designed to hold 80,000 people and will cost $45 billion to build. Although the project is impressive, Qatar has received some criticism for alleged corruption during their selection as hosts of the 2022 World Cup and for the country's mistreatment of migrant workers, which directly concern projects like Lusail. The International Trade Union Confederation estimates that 4,000 workers will die in Qatar by 2022. These problems could lead FIFA to cancel the tournament in Qatar, but that remains to be seen. Lusail City will be one of the most important cities hosting the main stadium, teams, and fans during the 2022 World Cup, with a wide range of facilities built to the highest international standards. Its existence isn't necessarily dependent on any tourism boom the tournament would bring. Because of its focus on sustainability, it is expected that the city will continue thriving beyond the tournament. China's new Silk Road Megaproject. China's economic growth has been nothing short of remarkable over the past few decades, transforming the country into a global economic powerhouse. Since the 1980s, China has enjoyed an average annual growth rate of almost 10%, which has influenced every aspect of China's society, culture, and economy. The country has become the world's largest economy and a leader in manufacturing and trade. However, China's recent slow growth and trade tensions with the US have put pressure on its leadership to rethink its growth plans. In response, President Xi Jinping announced the Belt and Road Initiative in 2013, a massive infrastructure project aimed at building a global network of roads, railways, air, and seaports connecting countries across 3 continents and involving over half of the world's population. The project is estimated to cost $900 billion and was inspired by the ancient Silk Road trade route. The Belt and Road Initiative, BRI, aims to boost trade and economic growth in China and other participating countries, while also expanding China's geopolitical influence. The project includes several key components, including the Silk Road Economic Belt, which connects China to Central Asia and Europe, and the 21st Century Maritime Silk Road, which connects China to Southeast Asia, Africa, and Europe via sea routes. The BRI has faced criticism for its high cost and potential debt traps for participating countries, particularly in Africa. However, China argues that the initiative is aimed at promoting development and economic growth, and that it will benefit both China and participating countries in the long run. In addition to the BRI, China is also pursuing the Polar Silk Road project with Russia to develop new shipping routes and infrastructure projects in the Arctic Circle. The project aims to take advantage of the opening of new shipping routes as a result of melting ice, but the harsh conditions and environmental concerns may limit progress. In comparison, Japan is working on a mega project known as the Chuo Shinkansen, or Shinkansen, which is a new train line that will use cutting-edge Maglev technology to achieve speeds of over 500 km per hour. The project began in 2014 and is estimated to cost almost $90 billion. The commercial service between Tokyo and Nagoya is due to begin in 2027 and will reduce travel time from over an hour and 20 minutes to just 40 minutes. The Shinkansen project is a major investment in Japan's transportation infrastructure aimed at boosting economic growth and improving the quality of life for residents. The Maglev technology used in the Shinkansen allows for faster, smoother, and more efficient travel, which could have significant benefits for commuters and businesses. In conclusion, China's Belt and Road Initiative and the Polar Silk Road project, along with Japan's Shinkansen mega project, represent major investments in transportation and infrastructure that are aimed at boosting economic growth and expanding geopolitical influence. While these projects have faced criticism and challenges, they also represent opportunities for innovation and progress in the global economy. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified of our latest uploads. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.